Hello, Hardressy here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix all issues with Rakuten app on iOS. First thing what you want to do is make sure that you have the newest version of Rakuten on your phone. Here, and you need to check out this where there is open bar. If you have the available new update, there should be the on this bar should be update. If you don't have the update bar, this means that you have the newest version and everything should be good. But if it's not and you still have some issues, you need to go here, go to the settings, scroll to it all the way down, go to the apps, check about your Rakuten app, go Rakuten app, and you need to have the fabric settings. Your language, Siri, fabric language, fabric settings, and here also fabric settings. And everything is alright with the settings. Then the last thing you should do, if there is still the issue on your app, is just reinstall the app, like here. Go here, go to the App Store, install again, and reinstall. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and bye.